Behind every six on the cricket field lies years of practice, discipline, and the courage to rise after failure. Vaibhav Tamboli embodies the same spirit in life. With his passion for cricket and an indomitable determination, he continues to hit sixes off the field as well, leading Tamboli Industries towards greater success and inspiring many along the way. From contributing to India's space missions to building locomotive parts for modern railways, their work speaks of excellence rooted in India.
It is a core innovative company. It's an enriching journey that we keep on growing. We learn as much as we can and go to the next level. Being a part of YPO is very important. That Young Presidents Organization is where I'm part of. It gives us a great learning opportunity, peer-to-peer networking, and the best of learning environments. Been past 6 years, one of the best investments that in terms of time and money which I have made.
At age 30, he took the company public. He's built a culture where every hand learns, every mind experiments.
અને ડિજિટાઇઝેશન પ્રોડક્ટિવિટી ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ ટ્રેનિંગ સ્ટાફ વર્કમેન બધાની એના માટે ઘણા પર્ટિક્યુલર છે.
There was a time in COVID where, the access to machines in engineering college was missing. Engineers need to see the machines, operate the machines. So that's absolutely necessary.
He says he has failed many times in making the right decisions, but those failures became his biggest teachers, shaping the person he is today. With the same spirit, he continues building, learning, and shaping Tamboli Industries to set true benchmarks of quality and inspire others along the way.